Oh, hi guys. I am here with another episode of These Wishlist where I talk about some products I have been liking from any e-commerce site. I've already done 2 episodes of it. The first one I think I did around Diwali in October. वो मैंने Myntra से किया था. Second one I did from H&M. And now today the third episode is dedicated to Ajio. I think I've got 16 pieces in my wish list right now and everything is so damn pretty and I thought I should share them with you ताकि अगर आप कुछ खरीदने का प्लान कर रहे हो you might consider them as well. Dancing to your beat. So this one is an A-line mini dress. Now I love anything A-line, like A-line skirts, A-line dresses. मुझे दोनों बहुत पसंद है and I love short dresses. Like I am more of a midi skirt but short dresses kind of girl. तो मुझे ये ड्रेस इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद आई. I think it is like perfect for me if I can say so, and I would definitely get this. Like this is a piece I'm dying to buy and abhi ye M, L और XL में available है, so I'm definitely adding this to my cart right now. Now the second piece that is so damn beautiful. So there's this dress I saw again from the brand Outright and it is their women textured striped midi button down purple A-line dress. Wow, that was a mouthful. First of all, I love A-line dresses. I think A-line dresses look very elegant. They look very pretty and sophisticated, and they just mature you a little. So especially for brunches and all that, इस type की dresses बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती हैं. Secondly, it's a lilac dress. I mean, nothing can go wrong with that color. And overall ये ड्रेस काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. Now next I've got one more dress again from Outright and this dress is giving me like a boss lady vibe, like a bad bitch boss lady vibe. I really like this dress, and if you are working in a professional setting, you're looking for a dress that makes you feel very ambitious, very powerful, I think this is a dress for that because it is like a blazer dress. I mean, if you look at it, just can neckline वगैरह, it's all similar to a blazer and it's like a wrap around one. तो यहाँ पे you can tie it and black color में, but इसका जो fabric है ना, it's giving me very satiny vibe, and it's even got a pocket here. So a dress with a pocket, that is like every girl's dream. मतलब हमें तो bottoms में pockets नहीं मिलती, so dress में pocket मिलना तो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. Dancing to your beat. So this is a top from Harpa. I've actually seen a lot of products from Harpa in Myntra as well. Now this top to me personally screams like formal, professional look. You can wear this with bodycon skirts, with pants. टक करके पहनो, बहुत अच्छा लुक आएगा. एंड यू कैन इवन वेयर इट विद डेनिम एज वेल. सो इट्स लाइक अ वेरी वर्सटाइल टॉप. मुझे देख के ऐसा लग रहा है. Now this is a full sleeve top. It's got a button detailing at the front and waist it's got a little bit of a flare, like very little flare. Again, I would say this top is really good for people who do not like wearing crop top, and right now it's available only in L and S size when I'm shooting this video. Now here it's written that it's only available in one color, which is black. हाँ, सिर्फ black में ही दिख रहा है यहाँ पर. तो it's even available in a pink shade. Oh my god, I love the pink one. So it's like this rosy mauve kind of pink and ये बहुत अच्छा है. I'm adding this to my wish list right wait now. So this has been wish listed. ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm loving the color of this and इसके बहुत कम units बचे हुए हैं. I like this more than the black one. This is really good. I recommend both of them. मतलब whatever color is your vibe. But this is a really cute top, and especially if you love square neckline, if you don't want a crop top, go for this. Now next is another top from a brand called Mish, M-I-S-H. The cute name is brand ka. I've never heard about it. So this is like a button down square neck top. Now this looks really nice actually. इसमें again ये square neckline है, and here if you can see इसका जो neckline it's not very deep. Now normally when you get a square neckline with a top, they are very open and very deep, which I personally love. I love a good deep neckline, but there are so many people who don't feel comfortable in that. So if you are one of those, you can see here it's like a neckline looks like itna, like it is ending just below the collarbone of this model here. So if you don't like deeper necklines but you still want to go for square neckline, I think this is the top for you. Again, I can imagine wearing this with so many things. Like you can wear this tucked inside black pants and heels. बहुत अच्छा formal look बन जाएगा. Or you can wear this with blue denim and a cute सा baguette bag, and you can like tuck it and इसका heels पहन लो, or you can wear sneakers and dress it down. I can imagine wearing this in so many ways. So this is first of all a lavender t-shirt, and that was obviously the first thing that attracted me towards it. And secondly, I really like the graphic at the front part of the t-shirt. It's like very cheerful and also colors काफी अच्छा है. So this one I'm definitely buying. It's available in all the colors. This is for 599 rupees. Now I remember I saw this a while back and ये sale पे था उस time पे, and it was available for 400 or something. I wish I would have bought it then only. तब मुझे और सस्ता पड़ जाता. But I will definitely even buy this at 599 का range because I really like this t-shirt. So now this one is the women typographic print jersey cotton crew neck t-shirt. And ये it's like a basic black t-shirt, but then just text आगे से that's very different, and that just like bringing something different to a table. So it's written hotter than hell right here at the front, and that just looks so good. There's even a little detailing of fire, like flames in hotter than hell there. Now I am a big fan of cropped things, so मुझे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती, but I know there are so many people who struggle to find like normal length की चीजें. So this is like a really great piece for that because ये बहुत normal सी length का है. Now this is originally for 499. Currently it's for 349. I mean that is an amazing deal, not to be missed out on. Dancing to your beat. Now the first one is this high-rise denim shorts, and currently when I'm shooting this video, they are available for 637 rupees. Now first of all, these are high-waist shorts. I love me some good well-fitted high-waist shorts. Secondly, like they're like mom fit wale shorts, which are the absolute best. I'm not a big fan of skinny fit wale shorts. I just like my shorts to be a little bit looser on the thigh part. So the next thing on my wish list is a pair of joggers. These ones are from a brand Orchid Blues. Don't know about that brand. I've never heard of it, but मुझे ना joggers बहुत अच्छे लगे. So these are their joggers with insert pockets, so that's good. It has pockets. Now I need like a black pair of joggers because जो मेरे street style store वाले हैं, they are fleece lined, so I cannot wear them during summers. And I think joggers again are like a closet essential, especially if you wear a lot of crop tops. आप उसके साथ joggers pair करोगे, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत casual, like chic, casual chic street wear वाला look आ जाता है. Now these are currently available for 468 rupees only. And I think this pricing might be the reason these are on my wish list. I mean 468, like take my money. Please tell me if any of you have tried this or actually any of these items. अपने reviews दे सकते हो comments में, so that if someone is considering buying them, उनको आपके reviews helpful मिले. So if you have tried any of these, give your reviews in the comment section. This one is their pleat front orange pants, and this is available in two colors. So there's a orange one and then a black one. But मुझे ना black one बहुत basic सा लग रहा है. Like if you want to get a black one you can, but I personally really like the orange one. Like if you don't want to put much attention or much thought into your outfit, just take like a nice colorful pant and pair this with basic things and your outfit will turn out bomb AF. That is the reason I really like them. And now finally I've got the last clothing piece of the video, which is a pair of jeans. So I've never tried jeans from this brand, but इसका एक jeans है जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया है दिखने में. Now this one is available in 3 denim shades. So it's there in light blue denim shade, dark blue and a medium one. So the medium one has a lot of rips, बाकी दोनों में rips नहीं है. And the one that I personally like the most is the light blue one. It's available for 1100, which is actually a very good range. I mean for jeans, normally H&M, Zara में you get jeans starting from 2000, so 1100 is a good price if it's worth it. Now the detailing that I like the most in these jeans. First of all, the fit. The fit is boyfriend fit, which is like very comfortable for summers and very my vibe. And secondly, the slit near the ankle. That stole the show for me. It's like this subtle statement in your jeans, जो कि आपके jeans को different सा look देगा. Now I've got 3 footwear. The final 3 items of this video are 3 footwear, and तीनों इतने bomb footwear है ना. So first one is from Evercupid. Now if you remember, मैंने recently एक Ajio haul किया था, which I think actually has 50k views by now. So that is amazing. So this is the video I'm talking about. मैंने यहाँ पे link किया है, मैं description में भी link दे दूँगी. There I showed you a lot of footwear that I got from Ajio recently, and Evercupid से ही थे वो सारे के सारे. So there are these black ones that I got from there, and उसी black में एक दूसरा variant है in bright pink. And मुझे वो शेड बहुत पसंद है. Like it's this hot pink, which is actually the color of the season right now. बहुत trendy color है. And I think if you wear like a basic outfit, like maybe an all black look or an all white look, उसमें आप इस टाइप के कलरफुल से या फिर नो स्टेटमेंट कलर वाले फुटवेयर डालते हो तो बहुत अमेजिंग लगता है। लाइक आपका आउटफिट सीधा यहाँ से यहाँ पहुंच जाता है। That is the reason I wanted to get them, but they are currently out of stock. I'm waiting for them to get back on stock. Now next one is another footwear from Outright, and इसका color actually attracted me towards it. मुझे color बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. It's just minty kind of shade and कितना statementy सा color है. It's got very thin straps आगे से, and again the heel is really different. So it's this cylindrical heel. Now this one is again available in 3 colors. There is a black one, the mint one, and a nudish kind of shade. So you can go for the for any of them. मुझे तीनों colors बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आए. मुझे heels in general बहुत पसंद आई हैं. And I think the main reason was the shape of the heel, क्योंकि वो बहुत different है. And I love when my footwear have something different in it. तो ये heels काफी अच्छी लगी. And I think they would be comfortable because block heels are anyway super comfortable. I personally love block heels. मतलब मैं तो वो thin सी pencil heels में चल ही नहीं पाती. And I salute everyone जो कि वो थिन पेंसिल हील्स में चल लेता है. यार मेरे तो बस का ही नहीं है. Now the final footwear is actually a pair of sneakers, and I just remember कि there are 2 more pieces left actually. 2 Indian wear pieces which are still left. तो मैं आपको इसके बाद दिखाऊंगी. मैं totally भूल गई थी उनके बारे में. So first let's talk about the sneaker. Now I really like the color scheme of the shoe actually. तो ये जो peach, like orange peach kind of shade है, that looks really good with grey and white. This is available in 2 colors. There's a orange one and then a sage green one. Now the sage green one looks even better, but वो out of stock है. उसके सारे sizes out of stock है. Dancing to your beat. Then now the final 2 items are 2 Indian wear pieces. Now you know your girl don't wear a lot of Indian wear, but these days I have been eyeing a few items like इस type के कुर्ताज वगैरह जो थोड़े से loose cotton कुर्ताज जिससे गर्मियों के लिए जो बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. I have been eyeing them quite a lot, and that is actually the final 2 pieces. So first one is this floral kurta. ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, especially the aesthetic. Like इसका जो colors है, like जो muted tones मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. These are totally my vibe. Now this one is a floral print anarkali kurta with tie up, and it's from a brand called AKS. इस brand के मैंने बहुत सारे pieces देखे हैं, and I think like my mom actually owns a couple of pieces from this brand. It's actually a really good brand. Now this one is available only for 660 right now, like only the kurta. Now there's this back story actually. मैंने ना ये कुर्ता अपने कार्ट वगैरह में सब ऐड कर दिया था. I was just about to buy it, but then I saw एक last time I was checking and I saw कि it's just a कुर्ता जो कि इसमें मतलब for 660 available है. I thought कि ये कुर्ता और पैंट्स दोनों का सेट है and I am buying that. बट नहीं, ये सिर्फ कुर्ता है. नाउ आई सर्च इसका पैंट्स इतना ज़्यादा बिकॉज आई फेल इन लव विद दिस एंटायर पीस. सो आई थॉट कि आई सी द पैंट्स ऑल्सो एंड मैं दोनों खरीद लूँगी बिकॉज मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये. But then I could not for the life of me find these pants on Ajio. Now if any one of you have the link for these pants, now please you help me out this time, and if you can give me the link of these pants, please do. And the final one is again another kurta from AKS. It's again the same fit and flare वाला kurta and ये भी floral print है. Now इस कुर्ते का ना कलर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा मुझे. Like it's a very summery, very like cheerful, cute color. It's got flowers all over it, like tulip type के कुछ flowers दिख रहे हैं पूरा इसमें. And ये काफी अच्छा है. Like it's even got that bell sleeve वाला detailing है, and overall I really like it. काफी मतलब cute कुर्ता है, and you can obviously easily wear it for everyday basis. You can dress that up as well with a beautiful dupatta and अच्छे से jewelry पहन लो. So yes, that is the final item. Now the question of the day is, what is your favorite color? I know it's such a basic question, but I would love to know what is your favorite color. What are you obsessed with this season? I am personally obsessed with lavender and sage. मेरे 2 favorite colors ये हैं currently. Even my nails are sage green kind of, if you can see. मैं ये nail paint का shade भी in the description डाल दूँगी. Everything like all my outfit details are always there in the description. तो अगर आपको कभी भी कोई भी questions होता है related to what I wore in that video, आप हमेशा पहले description check कर लेना. And yes, that's it. Now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye guys. Subscribe करना मत भूलना. Bye.